Greg Serio here, your fancy new guy, here to tell you about the 4 M's of manufacturing. The number 1 M in manufacturing is your mind. Because your mind is a muscle, and you need to exercise it every day. And the only way to use your mind is to think. The second M in manufacturing is math. Math is the most important thing to anyone, because without math, 2 plus 2 doesn't add up. And if 2 plus 2 doesn't add up, then you know it's wrong. Math is finite and it's reliable. And the number 3 M in manufacturing is muscles. Bodies don't break down, they rust. Just like iron. You know, Fe, your ferrous metals? Iron rusts, which is why you should use stainless steel. Say that 10 times fast.
Do it.
Stainless steel, 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 stainless.
That's all.
I made it as well. The number 4 and final M, which is the most epic in manufacturing, is something so awesome that we had to make up the word. Makeshiftery. Why makeshiftery, you ask? Because mastery and makeshift should always be together. Because you're problem solving at the end of the day, and problem doesn't start with M. So, what did you learn today? The 4 most important M's in manufacturing. And what are they again? It's your mind, math, muscle, and most important, makeshiftery. Thanks for watching the 4 M's in manufacturing. For more information, you should subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fancy New Guy, and go to FancyNewGuy.com for up-to-date information and fresh new content. That's FancyNewGuy.com. Stay fancy, FNG Nation.